so here's the kit for the screen replacement. Comes with this right here. You guys can see. Lots of screwdrivers. So, 3 screwdrivers. I believe they're all, whoops. There we go. I believe they're all Phillips, yep. This is pretty much so you can put the screen, grab it, and then pull it up. This is so you can, the pick, you use it to take off the edge of the screen without breaking it. Nice little pliers. This is also to help with the edge off. Take off the SIM card. And here's the screen itself. If I can get it off. There we go. So, comes with the seal. Screen protector. Although I wish they would have just put it on, but nobody does. Here's the thing to put the screen protector, and here's the screen on the back, the tags to put it on, and the screen itself looks and feels pretty nice actually. And then the cutout for the cameras and stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much all that comes with it.